Is on the left side in a tree hole you can see beautiful owl. In a tree hole on the left. Owl cannot move their eyes, but they can turn their head up to 135 degrees in either direction. Okay, now on the right side, here we have babi rusa. In Bahasa Indonesia, babi means pig and rusa means deer. So babi rusa is pig deer. Yeah, they physically looks like a pig, but for the male, they have the upper tusks resemble to the antlers of the deer. Okay, now look at the right side. Here we have the smallest buffalo in the world. Mini buffalo, they are called anoa. Yeah, anoa can be found in deep rainforest of Sulawesi Island. And don't forget to see on the left side, here we have the largest living reptile, saltwater crocodile. Sometimes the crocodile will open up their mouth. Do you know why do they open their mouth? Okay, they open their mouth because they are getting hot. Yeah. Okay, now we have the biggest land mammal on your right side. Sumatran elephants. Actually, Sumatran elephant is the second smallest elephant in the world. The big one is African elephant, which can be twice bigger than Sumatran elephant. Now, on the left side, we have banteng. Yeah, remember banteng, not bintang. Banteng is wild cow from Java, but in Bali they have been domesticated for farming and known as Bali cows. And the other animal, we also have Javan deer. Not only in Java, because they also can be found in Bali and Timor Island. Okay, now look at to the left side. The animal in black and white in the water. Could you spot it? We have tapir. Yeah, tapir. This animal is belong to rhino and horse family. As you can see, it physically looks like an eater because it has long snout, but actually tapir is herbivore animal. And we also have mencak deer. They are the oldest type of deer that lived around 15 till 30 million years ago. Okay, now heading to Borneo Island. And right now we are going to the water. Hopefully you all can swim. Yeah, you can see the geese here. side there we have gibbon. Yeah, gibbon or oa, the smallest ape in the world. They come from Java and Borneo Island. And you know guys, gibbon is a monogamous mammal. It means they only have one partner for the whole life. And look at to the left side. There we have orang utan. In bahasa Indonesia, orang means man and utan means forest. So orang utan means man of the forest. Orangutan is not monkey, actually they are apes. The difference between them is monkey have tail while the apes don't have any tail. Okay, right now we are going back to the water and look at to the left side. Here we have the smallest bear in the world. They are sun bear or honey bear. Yeah, do you know why they're called honey bear? Yeah, that's great. They love to eat honey so much. And their tongue can be as long as 25 centimeters. It helps them to find food like honey in the trees. But they also love to eat fruit, insects, small mammals, and birds. So they eat everything. Again, we're going to cross a bumpy and narrow bridge. And welcome to the rainforest of Indonesia. On the left side we have tigers. Okay, they are Thomas and Raka. Okay, it's a good time to see the tiger because they become more active in the late afternoon and will be very active at night when they will do their hunting. Okay, during the day they will spend their time for sleeping. And you know, they can sleep up to 16 hours a day. It's a nice life, isn't it? Tiger can eat up to 6 kilograms of meat every day. And on the right you can also see the replica of Gadang House in West Sumatra. This house reminds us about the conflict between wild tigers and people in Sumatra. That the people cleared the forest area used as housing and palm oil plantation. That's why the tiger lose their habitat and become extinct. Okay everyone, that was Indonesia. Right now we are going to India. by Nandi statue, the holy cow from India. Okay, now look at to the right side. Here we have white spotted deer and also black buck. There is the male one over there, which is in dark brown, and the females are in brown. They are the fastest Asian antelope that can run up to 80 kilometers an hour. And on the left side, look at that. There we have peacock. Yeah, peacock. Only the male of peacock have long feathers. When the mating season comes, they will open it into a splendid fan that used to attract female attention. Yeah, mostly for the animals, males are more beautiful than female, unlike us humans. Okay, after a shortly visit in India, now we are going to the third area. Welcome to Africa. Here we go. Look at that. On the right side, we have hippopotamus. You can also see the baby one over there. It's about 1.5 years old. So the hippo's pregnancy period is about 15 months, and they will give birth to a 45 kilograms baby. Yeah, the hippos love to stay in the water because their skin is very sensitive, and they can also hold their breath for 5 minutes in the water. Okay, right now we are moving to African savannah. On the left side, you can see the biggest bird. That's the ostrich. This bird cannot fly anyway, but it can run fast, up to 70 kilometers an hour. And on the left side, we have wildebeest. Have you ever seen it before? Quite famous in the movie. In Africa, wildebeest is the most favorite food of lion and crocodile. That's why they're very lucky here. And the fluffy envelope on the right side we have water bag or the water envelope. These antelopes are very good swimmer, but they can keep dry when they are swimming because their skin is waterproof. Okay, right now we are going to enter this big gate. Are you ready, guys? Very good. You have to be ready because there is no other choice. Here we go. Let's see what we have here. Look at that. On the left side, it's the #1 predator in Africa, lion. His name is Chase. As you can see, for the male lion, they have mane, while female don't. And the mane will get darker as they get older. And we get some more here. They are Chandra and Leonardo. Here they are lazier than tiger because lion can sleep up to 20 hours a day. Okay, we got another one on the right side. His name is Daka. In the wild, they live in a group called pride, and normally there is only one male in the group while the others are female. So the job of the male is, as the king in the group, he will taking care of the group and make sure that his bloodline continue. Mating is his main priority. And you know, during the mating season, the lion can mate up to 40 times in a day. That's a big job for them. Okay, now we have the tallest land mammal. Look at that. Yeah, we have giraffe. There is a couple of giraffe. The one is Matadi, and could you see the female? Matadi's girlfriend behind the tree. Her name is Sophie. Yeah, giraffe can grow up to 5 meters tall, and they can sleep while standing up. It means they don't need any pillow. And on the left side, we have the stripy animal. It's wavy zebra. Yeah, this is the biggest type of zebra in Africa. The zebra is so stylish, can be seen from the hairstyle. It's a mohawk style. And look at it on the right side. Here we have the holy cow from Africa. They are called Watusi or African red cows. Yeah, both male and female, they have massive horns that can reach up to 1.8 meters from tip to tip. And don't forget to see on the left side, we also have the animal from desert, dromedary camel with only one hump on their back. Camel's hump is made of fat that can be used as their spare energy when they need to. Ya, jadi punuk unta ini isinya lemak yang bisa digunakan sebagai cadangan energi. Now please look up there. The animals are on the top of the rock. Looks like gold. Actually, they are sheep. Yeah. They are barbary sheep. In Bahasa, we call them kambing gunung. Yeah, they can jump up to 2 meters high from their standing still to climb up the mountain. In the wild, they love to stay up there to stay away from predators. Okay, now we are moving to African panorama. And look at that on the right side here we have another huge animal. The white rhino. His name is Mr. Nelson. Yeah, Mr. Nelson. The rhino can weigh over 3.5 tons, but they can run quite fast, up to 50 kilometers an hour. And on the left side is our hotel. This is Mara River Safari Village. So you can stay here and enjoy the African view right from your room. Here we got more zebra here. On the right there, we have Chapman zebra, the smallest type of zebra in Africa. If you see them carefully, they have 3 stripes on their body. Black, white, and brown. The brown one is not because of their. Okay, moving to southern part of Africa. This is our restaurant, Safari Restaurant. You can enjoy your meals here and accompanied by lions on the right side. Yeah, our lions are still young. They're about 2.5 years old. So their mane has not fully grown yet. It will get longer as they mature. Okay everyone, leaving the interesting animal from Africa, now we are heading back to Indonesia. And on the white side, for one more time, you can see our beautiful Sumatran elephant. The elephant can eat up to 200 kilograms of food daily. They spend all day eating, just stop it when they are sleeping. Okay everyone, that's our safari journey today. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. Now we are heading back to Toraja Terminal. And for your information, after this you can see our elephant show